everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Discord on Facebook app. To know how to fix or how to solve Discord on Facebook, you should just go to settings as you see, and you can click here. You can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window or to the app of Facebook. Here in this list of app info, you can click on first app and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can go to Play Store and you can search about Facebook. If you will find the update, you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.